नमस्ते सब गोटा के पैक के प्रणाम अनुज के आशीर्वाद. So again I have come for you, all of you, as I have promised. I will come and I will discuss something. So today we will discuss about use of in, on and at. There are so many people, including me, myself also sometimes confuse how to use in, and or at, and where to use it properly. So dear students, whenever we are going to use in, on, at, the first of thing we have to understand the concept of using in, on, at is the biggest thing. Where is the big thing? Either it can be for time or place, will be in medium size, either it will be place or time, will be on. In a small, for a small thing will be at. As for example, I'll tell you in time, in December, January, month, we are, if we will discuss about month and year, it big thing, duration is big. Month and year, duration is big, there I will use in. Then we'll come at day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, whatever day, it will, we will use on, because it is not that much bigger duration, it's medium. So we will use on Monday we can say, in January we can say, on Monday we can say, on Tuesday we can say, right? Hope you all getting me. And we are coming at where we will use at. Very small, like evening, morning, 2 p.m. we'll use at. Like at morning, I'll go in park at morning at 2 p.m. We'll have tea at 3 p.m. So when we will discuss about 2 p.m., 3 p.m, especially time, a specific time like 2 p.m, 3 p.m, there will, that is very small part, so we'll use there at. So in time, what we understood till now is, when we will discuss about month, year, like 2012, we are doing starting in 2012. In, we'll use in January, when we will use for January, we will use in. So in big time we will use in medium time like Sunday, Monday, we will use on, and very small like 2 p.m, 3 p.m, 4 p.m, we will use at. For place, how we will use? For place, this concept will be remain same, like if it is big place, like we are in train, so there we'll use in. If we are in train, in very big thing, like this is surrounded with very big thing like train, in big country, any small, in any country's distance is very big, so we are in India, we'll use in. Then on, for any surface like table, floor, roof, when we will use on, it will be like surface for place. And where you will use at, like very small location, like some small part of a city, or some addresses like Siswar, Kalapati, Bharhar, Barbona, Barhi. This all is the small places like location. This is a street, there we will use at. But when we will use in Madhubani, in Darbhanga, In Bihar, that is big distance places, there we will use in, and on will be for surface. So big thing like city, country, there will use in. On will be for surface, floor, anything like that. And at for a small location, a street, like any like you can in Delhi, Connaught Places is a place, there we can say we are at CP. In Lucknow, Hazratganj is a place, we'll say we are at, I'm at Hazratganj. We can say I'm at Kalapati or Siswar in Madhubani. So a small location, there we will use at. Thanks for your patience, and thank you for your support and for appreciating my last videos, for motivating us to keep whatever is my knowledge, I will try to share, because I believe when we share our knowledge with anyone, it helpful for others and for myself also. Thank you.